car has a panoramic window up there, so you don't get this. You don't get a sunglass holder. Well, my girl here who's got the camera likes her sunglass holder. So you can pick this up. We got this on Amazon. And we're going to replace this with this. And she's got a place to put her sunglasses. Let's take this off. Little caps here, pulls down, that pulls down. Takes a Phillips.
You got it all inside of you.
Now, get the other one. Screw in there. Alright, Phillips. Start on this side. Doesn't have the spring, a little easier. This one has a spring in it.
Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group.
Yeah, I like putting a magnet on things, so keep the screw on there so it doesn't fall out and I get lost. My old fingers here. Knock this one out. There you go. Sunglass holder. Alright, let's put these little caps on here that they give us.